Hello students, myself Deepak Kumar Verma from Shantiniketan Jubilee School Motihari. Students, today in this lecture class we are going to study about topics like differences, similarities and division, origin of social differences and so on. In the previous lecture classes students we have studied about meaning of diversity and its relation with democracy, a story from Mexico Olympics, civil rights movements in the USA from 1954 to 1968, and African American and the Black Power. Let us begin our class with topics like differences, similarities and division. Students, in this chapter, democracy and diversity, we have only to study how we can search out differences in our society and how we can search out similarities in our society also, and what are the reasons to divide our society, our unity and integrity. These are some of the important topics of study in this lecture class students, and we are just going to study the same. Actually, differences, similarities and division are three important topics which tell us that there can be differences in our society on many grounds. We are different from each other in many contexts. Some people can be tall, some others can be small. Some people can be more intelligent, some others can be less intelligent or dull. Some people can be white in color and complexion, some people can be black in color and complexion, some people can be rich, some others can be poor. Similarly, there can be so many facts, there can be so many points on the basis of which we can differentiate people from each other. Actually, in this chapter, students, differences are linked to people basically living in the USA, in South Africa and other parts of the world. In case of USA, we have so far studied students that the blacks were poor and backward in many contexts, while the white people were rich and advantageous people. The black wanted to get the same position in the US society, and for that they raised their political demands, but all the time their political demands were denied by the authorities as well as the white people. But between 1954 and 1968, civil rights movements which occurred in the USA and which was led by Martin Luther King Jr. gave a way on how they could get their political rights in the constitution of the country, and ultimately those black people were successful in achieving their political rights in the constitution of the USA. So they were different from the white people there. They were different in many contexts. They were black, while the original natives of the USA were white and rich. The whites had already got the political rights in the constitution, while the blacks had not got the political rights for which they were taking part of the movement. So we can say that there can be seen differences between one class of people and another class of people. In case of South Africa also there are so many evidences, students, which tell us that during the British rule, the South Africans, original South Africans or the non-whites were discriminated a lot and they were different from the whites. So there can be differences. It fully depends upon attitude and behavior of different types of people in the society, that how do they behave with each other. If they behave very positively with each other, this gives a way of unification and accommodation in the society. But if some different types of people behave very wrongly with other people in the society, they think that they are rich and others are poor, they are in a condition to enjoy better life while others can't. This can give a way of the division in the society. So it is quite clear, students, that we should first try to find out the similarities so that we could be able to unify our society to live in a very peaceful manner. Differences are very bad. Differences are very harmful for the unification of society and accommodation of society. Students, we should search out for similarities all the time in the society, because we are all the children of the same God and we all live on the same earth. We should have a positive sense and mind. That is why it is our duty just to behave very positively with each other. The oldest viewpoint of our rishis, the oldest viewpoints of our Indian scholars are Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. We are all brothers and sisters together, and our only mother is the motherland. So we should not have a sense of difference. We should have a sense of similarities among us so that we can be able to accommodate the society, unify the society, and make a society full of all good things. Here, students, I would like to tell you that the athletes in the previous class, as I taught you, were responding to social divisions and social inequalities. But here is a question: does that happen only in societies which have racial divisions? In the previous two chapters, we have also studied, students, that some other forms of social divisions are found in our society. The examples of Belgium and Sri Lanka also show both regional and social divisions. In the case of Belgium, we found that people who live in different regions speak different languages, such as the French language as well as the Dutch language. In Sri Lanka also we found linguistic as well as religious differences. So social diversity can take different forms in different societies. So it is very clear that differences can be found in our society, but most of all, the most important thing for us is how we are able to unify the society, accommodate the society, and make a society full of all happiness and prosperity. How far we are able to unify the society, to recognize each other's needs, and just to give a way of satisfaction to everyone in our society, this depends upon our attitude and behavior. Now I would like to say you students that there can be social differences in many ways in our society, but these differences should not harm each other. These differences should not badly affect each other. Differences are part and parcel of our life. They may occur anytime, anywhere, in any society. But how we can sort out the differences, how we can eliminate the differences, how we can remove the differences to unify the society, to accommodate the society, this is our responsibility as students. And now I would like to tell you that everywhere, in every society, people can have different attitude, people can have different ideas and ideologies, but they all ultimately become part and parcel of the same society, and they must live together, they must act together, they must behave very nicely, so that the society could be said as a very nice society, and everyone could enjoy very nicely in the society. Here I would like to tell you students that we all experience social differences based on accident of birth in our everyday lives. Accident of birth is what, students? Accident of birth has come here. Actually, in our life, there can be so many types of differences with each other. All the differences are not so difficult to accommodate the society. But I would like to focus on accident of birth that is too dangerous to accommodate the society. Actually, accident of birth is a condition where a person or a group of persons thinks that the very group is superior and is the only group that can enjoy the life in a very better way, enjoying a lot of resources, keeping a lot of resources to enjoy the life. So accident of birth is a way that tells us that the advantageous people, the rich people and more prosperous people are the only people who can have resources, benefits and other facilities in the society, and can ask others to follow their own attitude and behavior, their own path of living. So it is quite clear that accident of birth is not a good thing. Under this feeling, a person or a group of persons always wants that others must follow their own way of life, attitude and behavior by disregarding their own attitude and behavior. That is too dangerous, and that becomes just like an example of overlapping differences, means differences which can't be accommodated. One in this very condition is always superior, other in this very condition is always inferior, and the inferior group or groups of people always think that that very group of people should make another division in the society so that it could enjoy very nicely. Thank you very much. The next topics would be discussed in the next lecture class, students.